what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play some classic Wallflowers. One Headlight. Cool. And this is a great lesson too for drop D tuning. So take your low E string and tune it down. Make it sound the same as the D string. Alright. So let's go over the chords and the chorus, and then I'm gonna show you the intro at the very end. Okay, so when we drop D, a G is gonna look like this. So that's 5, and then grab 3 on the B and E string, and mute the A string. And then we have D, first finger, second finger, okay, and then we have, let's see, oh yeah, then we have this chord, and we can play that, we can bar that like that. So that's 4, 4, 4, starting on the E string, and then we got a B minor, so second fret, 4, 4. B minor to A. Okay, A major. So that's a verse. On the B minor, we can just lift up this first finger and just hit the A string more, like. I'm doing all downstrokes here, muting on the bridge. Sorry. And then last time in the verse we stay on the G, G flat or F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have chorus, G, D, E minor. E minor is going to look like this. It's weird. 2, 2, 2 to A9. That's 2, 2. And here we can open up for the chorus. B, A, G, open D, oops, yeah, stay on the G, F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, D minor, Okay, so 2 parts. Verses. And we got the chord, and the verses always ends with G, F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chorus, G, D minor, D, E, A9. Alright, and then we have that intro melody. That part. Classic. So that's just E, A, open G, and land on 2nd fret, G string. Headlight, Wallflowers. Thanks guys for tuning in. Fantastic tune. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic hits. Be safe. Thank you.